Introducing the future of fitness. It's every class you can imagine, live.
Welcome back to the mirror.
You've got this, John.
And on demand. It's bar, boxing, strength, cardio, yoga, and more. It's an interactive,
Relax your shoulders, Dan.
goal-crushing,
Keep that heart rate up.
whole family, whole body fitness machine.
This Dyson purifier warms you in winter, cools you in summer, and automatically removes pollutants and allergens all year round from your home.
Usually are. You can just tap Find in the Tile app to make your tile ring. So you can get on with your day. Or you can just ask.
Hey Google, ask Tile to ring the remote.
Sure, locating the remote.
Oh, and by the way, did you know you can find your phone with your tile? Just double press the button on your tile to make your phone ring, even when it's on silent. When you're away from home and you leave something behind, see the last time and place it was with you and get directions back to it, saving the day. It's comforting to know that the world's largest lost and found community has your back. Because we all know how easy it is to lose track of things when you're out and about and having fun. Like in that moment when you realize something important is missing, you can just activate the Tile community. And every phone running the Tile app will anonymously help locate your things. You'll get a notification letting you know where your tile is, so you can get your stuff back. If you want more finding power, you can upgrade to the Tile Premium subscription service. You get exclusive features like Smart Alerts, which can help you find your things before you lose them. You'll be notified that your tile is not with you. Now that's proactive finding power.